Nice, Morgan.
That was impressive.
This is sad.
Oh yeah, clap tough.
Sis, I want to see you do that.
I'm sure you can. You can try.
There's no way.
Yeah, you can. You gotta believe in yourself. If you can do it. You gotta at least try, right?
You're older than you and she can do it.
Nah, but it's hard. I couldn't do it.
Go around that way on the pole.
This is only my second time.
Oh, really?
Put your
Yeah, it totally doesn't
yeah, go
make
that
sense.
way.
Stuff.
Go around like that. Try to switch your feet. Yeah, like that. There you go.
There you go.
Just feel like, okay, I'm gonna do
Okay,
it.
I'm gonna try it.
Yeah! High five.
Nice.
All right.
I'm probably gonna die.
That would be a good picture for Mom.
There you go.
You're gonna
You'll fall. You'll just be hanging in the air for a little bit.
I'm not going on those hanging things. Though.
Yes, you are.
No, there's
This is
no.
the first one.
Wow, Morgan.
I bet she's gonna get on the second log, put me to shame.
I can't even
What do you
believe
think?
this.
I think she's got it.
Oh my
Look at her.
gosh.
Yeah, she got it.
Take your time.
She knows everything.
Pull your
Yeah, keep saying yeah.
Yeah.
Cheer your sister on.